The levels of deforestation in the Amazon region of Brazil have been known to be significant for decades now. In addition to the global timber supply, the leading cause for deforestation of the Amazon has been cattle ranching. Some reports show that the continued deforestation of the Amazon has accounted for almost 10% of current greenhouse gas emissions. Cattle ranching is a double threat to climate change mitigation because cattle emit large amounts of methane, a known greenhouse gas, and a significant amount of trees which will remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere are cut down. Cuiaba is the capital of the Brazilian state Mato Grosso, which accounts for a large portion of the land cover of the Amazon and has seen some of the highest levels of deforestation, making it especially susceptible to the negative externalities that come with it, such as loss of biodiversity, lower air quality, and agricultural implications. This implicates the health level of local and global communities alike, as the Amazon is such a huge source of global oxygen. A possible solution would be to evaluate other ways that Brazil can utilize their land in sustainable